Okay, Allie and Samantha, I'm going to give you guys one picture, and between the two of you, you're going to look at that picture and analyze it. What I want you to do is look at the people in the picture, the buildings in the picture, any animals that are in the picture, any important features of the picture. I want you to analyze it. What does analyze mean? That's a good question. Analyze means that you don't just look at the people, but you look at it and think about what they're doing, why they're doing that. You think about the person, not just what they look like, but more importantly, what they're doing and the reason behind it. Okay, so now that you analyzed the features of the picture, I want you to pair up with Jack and Sam, and you guys are going to look at each other's pictures. So you guys are going to give them your picture, and they're going to give you their picture. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to analyze their picture. Okay, so what I want you to think about now is, how are the two pictures similar and how are the two pictures different? And remember, we're not just thinking about the looks, we're thinking about perhaps the reason why the things are there. Okay, do either of you or any of you want to share your findings? Oh, okay, so you see in your picture big buildings, really tall buildings. Interesting. And how is that different from the picture that they had? Oh, okay, there was a lot of empty land, right? There was grass, there was a cow. Was there any animals in the other one with the big buildings? No, there wasn't. So what do you think that means? How do you think the people who live in those areas live? Okay, so the people who live with the big buildings probably have different jobs, probably have different kinds of families, get around differently. Excellent. There's one more kind of picture that we didn't see yet. Oh, okay. You have it, John? Okay, good. Can you describe to us, we already saw a picture with the big buildings, and we saw another picture with a big empty field. What's in the third picture that we haven't talked about yet? Oh, yes, okay. Smaller houses that are next to each other. Interesting. Do any of these pictures seem like the area where we live? Yeah, I think so too, John. I think that third picture with the houses next to each other is probably the most similar to where we live. Okay, so all of you each have the pairs of you each have a picture. So what I want you guys to do now is to decide how to sort these pictures. So talk amongst yourselves and think about how we would sort them. Think about what important features in the pictures are sort worthy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to start with you, John. You're going to put one of your picture up, and then we're going to move to the next group, and we're going to decide if that picture should go with John's picture or in a separate group. Alright, and we're going to continue that until we've sorted all the pictures. I'm not going to tell you if you're on the right track or what. We're just going to sort it and we'll figure it out later. Alright? Sounds good.